Hey friends, welcome back for another travel vlog. As you can see, I had an early wake up time this morning, so I reached for my travel outfit of choice this year, which you know the vibes. It has to be like comfortable, cute, easy to throw on, anything to help me get out the door and hopefully not miss my flight. Okay, so I made it to the metro station so that I can head to DCA, which is basically the only airport I fly out of because it's so easy to get to. But this trip I am so excited for because it's actually helping me cross off an item on my bucket list, and I get to hang out with people that I've one haven't seen before, or two haven't seen in a really long time. So I'm really excited. Back to the 30 before 30 bucket list item. I wanted to take a train down the coast of California, and while this isn't the entire coast, I still think that I'm going to get some pretty good views on the way to San Diego. I'm at Union Station. It is gorgeous in here. I thought Italy taught me how to use Amtrak and train rails. Did not. I had to ask for help, but that's okay. You can ask for help. So now I'm getting ready to get on my train to San Diego. It should be here in like a little less than an hour, and then it's a 2-hour train ride. I'm excited to like finally be done with like the trip part of things and actually get there to do stuff. Did I spring for business class because I knew I was going to be tired of being cooped up all day? Yes I did. And by spring I mean it was only like $15 more, but still. From the bunk room. I'm at my friend's house and it's my first full day in San Diego. This is the fit. I do have to work from home today, but I don't think that means that I can't have fun. So I'm gonna bring you along. Well, DC is on the Potomac River. That's right. And then Virginia itself it's on the coast, there's beaches and stuff.
Right, Virginia Beach. I know things. I just don't ever think about those being coast. I guess it's such a different vibe than this coast.
Yeah, because we're Atlantic coast and in the bay and stuff. We just finished the bar 3 class. As you can see, my camera work's not going to be great because my arms are shaking still, but it was my first time doing a bar 3 class and it was so much fun. Like, I haven't worked out in a while, so I was definitely struggling and had to take little breaks, but other than that I felt like I could take some options when I needed to, and I feel like a nice burn, a nice buzz, and it's only 6:55 in the morning. Still so much day left to go. So whew, who would have thought? Me working out on vacation. Who am I? Oh my gosh, do you see this? This is the outfit of the day. I'm actually saying goodbye to the bunk room, but for a good reason. I'm hanging out with one of my internet friends for the first time IRL. And like, can you tell that I'm being a goober and nervous about it? Because I am, but I'm so excited because I know we're just gonna have all the fun, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm just hanging outside, but I realized that I never said anything after the point of getting to Kristen's house. So basically, the first night was really fun. We went and got some food, we ate some ice cream, and had just like a really chill night. But then the next day, we went to the Pride Parade in San Diego. So hold please. I'll just insert some clips here. Pride time! Definitely had a great time at the Pride Parade, but by the end of it, we were totally wiped. So we had to go back to recover some. And I basically housed down the rest of the ice cream that I had left. It was so good. And then we went to go get some tacos. This place makes their tortillas by hand, and I wanted to try something different. So I got one of the cactus tacos, which was pretty good, but I think my favorite taco was probably the al pastor taco. And then I also had a shrimp taco, which was also great. Later that evening, Kristen took me to Mount Soledad to check out the view, but it was giving major Twilight vibes, so much so that we actually went back to her place and watched Twilight, because how could you not? I did not help pick these, but I mean, I feel like no one would be interested in this content but me. Oh, booyah. Immediately. That looks beautiful. That was perfect.
My favorite YouTuber to watch. That is hard to choose. I've watched Cierra for a long time. I don't know if you know who that is.
Nope.
She's fun. She does like fashion stuff. Right now she's doing like plus size fashion, but she also does like random videos as well. Who are your favorites?
You know, I watch Catherine a lot.
Right.
Catherine Manning I watch a lot. I got into this one girl, oh my gosh, I cannot think of her name. Allison? I think her name on YouTube is just Allison.
Okay.
And she does a lot of like day in the life vlogs and stuff like that.
Okay.
I found her because she does like a coffee series every once in a while for different holidays and stuff. Just different ways to drink coffee.
Gotcha.
What else? I mean, other than like watching you.
Oh,
Cassie.
stop.
I watch your videos. Cassie, Janae.
Janae Daly?
Yeah, I love
Oh my
her
god,
stuff.
I love her.
I love her stuff. I was sad when she kind of like disappeared for a little bit.
Yeah. I love her home stuff.
Yeah. I always just liked watching her vlogs and stuff, and yeah, her home is really nice.
Yeah.
But then she moves.
Although she just moved.
I know.
Yeah. That's awesome.
How do I know when to stop?
You just look at it and see if all the stuff is gone.
Hi. Can I have a cheeseburger, please? With no tomato?
Would you like onions on that?
Yes, please.
Alrighty.
Can I have the meal? I'm sorry.
Yeah, for sure. What kind of drink would you like?
Root beer.
Alrighty.
And can I have the fries animal style?
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
Are you giving me that in the car to go?
To go.
Alright. Cheeseburger, no tomato with onions, animal fry, and a root beer to go. It's going to be 10:34 at the next window.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, we just got back to Kristen's house. We felt that it was only right that I do this segment in front of the actual rainbow wall. But we're gonna try out the In-N-Out burger and animal style fry. I went to San Antonio earlier this year and I had Whataburger, which there's some people that tell me that's better than In-N-Out. Those people are not from the West Coast. I have had In-N-Out before, but it was a couple of years ago, so I felt like if I get to try it this time, I have a better comparison. The only thing that makes me sad about this burger, just tell you that right from the jump, they don't have bacon, or maybe they do and I just didn't know how to ask for it, but I didn't see it on their menu, so I didn't get bacon. It's good. I think I would still give the burger to Whataburger. I think that I like that one a little bit more. Definitely a step up from like what I would usually get, I don't know, at McDonald's or something. Usually I'm against using a fork or anything like that with French fries. I feel like they're supposed to be finger foods. There's a lot going on with these fries, so maybe I should have. I'm not going to. I like these. I don't think I'm losing sleep over not having them every day, but they're good. They're good. I'm not losing sleep over having never not everything. Were you my creative director for this shot?
Indeed. Producer. Here we go. New role. New career path.
Good morning from the garden. It is my last full day here in California. I am super sad about it. But today we're actually going on a small hike to see Torrey Pines and some of the views from there. So wish us luck. This is the fit of the day. And I have some fruit in my hand because when I went to the farmer's market yesterday, I had to get some fruit. And so I'm taking that with me and hopefully we'll have a couple of beach moments. So let's go. Side note, do you see how tired I am and how tired I look? I think I'm finally adjusting to California time right on time for me to go home, which is great. Great news for me. We're going in here?
Yes.
Dope. We made it! Hey, I haven't set up camp like just laying on the sand. I don't have anything with me. I'm like fully in workout clothes. There's these little bugs that keep flying on me, but that hike wrecked me. It was totally worth it though. This was such a great way to end the hike. Poor Kristen, she went to go get the car, which that was so nice of her because I literally cannot move, not even a little bit more. I don't know how I'm even gonna get to the car. But I don't even know how else to say that this is just the perfect way to spend a Monday morning. It's amazing. That is what happens when you decide to run in the water the day before you fly out. Yeah, very smart move on my part. It's a sad day. I'm officially on my way home. This is the fit. I'm wearing the worst airport shoes possible because my other shoes are still wet. I just had to like bag them and put them in my suitcase, but that's what I get for letting the ocean get all over my shoes and then having to rinse them off. But I had such a great trip here and I already can't wait to come back. I thought that LAX would be hard to get to. Maybe it's because I'm flying out of American and it's in like Terminal 4, but I might as well have been at DCA. It was so fast for me to get through security, almost too fast. I can't believe I'll be leaving California soon. I'm so sad about it. Hey, it is 11:30. I just made it home and I am in desperate need of a shower and food before I get ready to go to work tomorrow morning. But I had such a good time and I'm so thankful for my friends in San Diego for letting me hang out and showing me around and helping me cross off more things off of my like bucket list year. So till next time, friends, remember you are more than enough and you are capable of amazing things. See you next time. Bye. Okay, we're back and we're gonna try. That would be better if this was the right way. It was just the white side of the bag.
Do you want me to delete the footage or keep it?
It's okay. I'll just edit around it.